How to increase FPS and fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag on any server on Roblox. All what you have to do is so simple. Just choose any server you want. For example, I have chosen this one right here. And now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top here, click on Roblox logo, and after click on it, click on settings, and now scroll down and you will find many options. Go to this graphics mode and make it manual, and you will find that the graphics quality you have is higher. So all what you have to do is make it lower by clicking right here. And after that, go back, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. So now all what you have to do is just play and enjoy. If it didn't fix it, all what you have to do is check our other videos. I have posted a lot of solutions. See you later.